can you see, like, it's just nice, effortless. You can just sort of shift back, come this way up the diamond, and then back. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rusha, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to my channel, people, and most importantly, welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle. Hope you guys are all keeping well and safe out there. Today, I've got an amazing skipping tutorial, basically going to be showing you guys a variation of the cool Mayweather circular shuffle motion. Now, hopefully I'm going to get some clips on so you can get to see his version of this move. And I've also just done a ton of this kind of styles as well in my edits. And I've had so many requests sharing or people asking me to share how to do this move, the footwork around it. But today I'm going to give you like a kind of small kind of variation. I like to call it the kind of diamond shuffle, which is going to get you onto that circular method really, really well. Before we get straight into this tutorial, people, just quick and easy, I need you to do a couple of things, all right? I need you guys to set your alarms because tomorrow, Friday, April the 9th at 4 p.m. UK time, we're going live with our next line of money rope colorways. This is the lime green money rope that's going live. And also backed by complete crazy popular demand, we have of course got the Rush mats. All right, now let me just show you exactly what's coming. First of all, cheers Nathan. We've got the heavy duty XL Rush mat, big boy popular one. Next off, these are all gonna fall, by the way. We've got the round mat. This is the version 2, right? The improved, more durable, just more sturdy, amazing kind of like feel and feedback for your ropes. This round mat is an absolute classic and it's even better than the first version. Then we've of course got, nice one. I was meant to catch all three of them, weren't I? We've got the mini mat, of course. This is the new concept or the latest one. This one sold out in literally like, I was gonna say minutes, but it wasn't minutes, it was like a couple of weeks. But like, get involved, please. I don't want to keep this kind of promotion like too long. You have to get involved, get your mats in, look after your joints, look after your ropes. And like I said to you before, man, like this is about staying injury free, all right? I don't want skipping to create any injuries out there, and I want you guys to just get the most out of your ropes, especially the ones that you buy from us as well. So guys, we're gonna get straight into this tutorial. Let's cut straight to it. Just forgot to quickly mention, guys, if you're interested in the heavy duty mat or the round mat and you're outside the UK, if you're from the US or from Europe, etc., there are also going to be mats on Amazon available, right? Amazon Prime as well. Just give me about 7 or 8 days to get that sorted out. All right, all the messages all done now. We're gonna get straight into this tutorial, peeps. Like I always say with this channel, right, it's all about making sure you guys look smooth, effortless, and slick. And it's now half a decade I've been telling you guys, but this is it. Footwork is king, all right? Now, doesn't matter how fast you want to go, what moves you want to pull out. If your footwork is not on point, nothing is going to tie in nicely. Nothing is going to just move fluid. Nothing's going to connect. Now, this move, which I learned from Mayweather, or like learning from his style, he didn't obviously teach me. I wish he did. But his way of doing this, the circular motion, we're going to create a diamond pattern now on the floor, right? I'm going to give you guys some visuals to see what I'm visualizing myself, right? The diamond pattern now is going to help us get our feet in sort of sync. And I'm going to show you actually what the bad habits are, or when I've seen people do this slightly wrong, and we're going to correct it and make it right. Okay, so this is it, right? This is what the move looks like. Let me just quickly show you. And you can do it a couple of ways, right? You don't have to follow step by step what I do, but naturally, you're just going to move in this kind of smooth diamond pattern. You go left, you go right, come back to the middle. And ultimately, I've called it the kind of diamond variation, but you're just naturally just making a small circle as well. So when you've seen me do it on videos, you've seen it in some of the edits, go around in a nice big motion. Again, I'm gonna show you some nice clips of showing it. You wanna feel like you're just gliding across this floor, right? You don't wanna feel like you're kind of just like, I don't know what that word is, maybe galloping, but it's like you wanna just feel like you're just kind of gracefully kind of gliding across the floor. So to get that footwork right, we're gonna put the rope down for a second, all right? Focus now, when you're doing this move, just to feel like you're just effortlessly, get my words right, effortlessly, I've got my brace in there, let's get this brace out, man. You're gonna feel like you're effortlessly, wow. All right, good edit coming up here. You're gonna feel like, I'm laughing. Right, when you start this move, right, you just wanna feel like you're gonna be effortless, got it right. Effortless across the floor, right? And the way you're gonna do this is you're gonna feel this weight balance, this weight shift. Here, here, like that, all right? You don't wanna feel like it's, like there's no weight shift there. What what you're doing there is just kind of just trying to get your footwork to just jump at the right time when the rope comes underneath you. Feel like it's just boom, like here, like that, like that. So the footwork I'm gonna show you right now is we're just gonna feel this weight shift, and it's gonna come off by pushing off by one leg, and then you land on that second leg, and then they both come together for a split second. So it's here, come together, shift the weight, and you do the same. So it's just you're sort of turning your body, and that's why it's always quite nice to kind of learn that kind of boxer stance step that I've shown you before. This one, we can turn to the other side, this one. This is what's gonna help you now to change the body around. And it kind of feels like a bit of a dance routine, like I always say, but when you get it right, I'm just gonna try and show you that one more time. Just check my footwork here, shifting, shift, and then shift. So it's just not here, okay? The weight distribution's straight down the middle, it's not right. You're gonna feel like you're leaning here and then leaning here. So imagine when you're kind of going ice skating or whatever. I'm just bringing in all the analogies I can. You just wanna feel that kind of tilt, the body shifting, right? That's the kind of concept. When you put it together, like I said, you've done it without the rope. Just feel, like I said, both legs coming together for a split second. Get your balance back, shift. So here. Okay, so I'm gonna do this now so you guys can just get a look at it. And it's nice to actually just change direction. So I kind of go forward up the diamond and come back on myself. Now to the left and back to the right. The hard bit about this, guys, is literally making sure you can do it without jumping too high. What Mayweather does really nicely, and what I learned from his style as well, was the fact that he doesn't actually move the rope quickly. Like he doesn't actually, watch my hands here and my wrists, it's not frantic. It's not like you're trying to go fast with the rope. You're just trying to get everything in sync. So slow your rope down, actually reduce the pressure with the fingers or the hands on the rope. Feel like the rope's momentum takes it forward. So here now, the feeling I get is I've literally got a couple of fingers on my rope, really light, and we're just gonna literally slow this rope down. Can you see, like it's just nice, effortless. You can just sort of shift back, come this way up the diamond, and then back. It's really like small rotations, not big rotations, not fast, and you've got to try and get this sync with your footwork. So that's what I'm saying, take it super slow. Don't do this move quickly. The move looks really nice when you do it very nice and graceful. It's all about the body movements, the gliding, just low impact. Like I said before, no knees need to flex, no big, you don't want to hear your feet. If you do this right, you just want to hear the rope. Just like that. No big, heavy feet. I promise you, the way, just to remember it, the way you're gonna learn it, slow it all down, practice without the rope first, and there's just no rocket science. I can't show you exactly what footwork moves first, or the right foot goes and the left foot. You've got to get the feeling. You're just shuffling, all right? All right, hopefully you guys found this very useful, right? I love sharing my footwork drills, patterns, getting you guys into just more into footwork, thinking about it, visualizing things. It's all about practice. It's not gonna come overnight. Take your time with it. Like I've said for many, many years, all right? Just pick your rope up, make a start. I'm here just to try and give you guys, I wouldn't say the shortcuts, but just help you guys learn from my mistakes and get you flying slicker and more boss as always. So remember, hit that subscribe button. Please, please, please do keep supporting this channel. Do keep supporting this brand. Your love is literally our oxygen, and we want to do as much as we can to get the rope, anyone's rope, into as many people's hands as possible around the world, right? This community is fantastic. It's amazing. It's phenomenal. It's so positive, and we want to keep these vibes just going into generations and generations to come. That is what our mission is here at RA. So peeps, as always, man, love you. I'm going to see you in that next video. Drop your comments, your thoughts. Give the video a big thumbs up as well. That'd be really useful. I'll see you in the next video, man. So take care of yourself. Let's get a treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.